how to download and install Homebrew on Mac. Add Homebrew to path. Install VLC using Homebrew. My name is Imran. All links and command used in this video you will find in video description and first pin comment. Right click on the link and click open link in new tab. Now you have to click on installation because in this video we are seeing how to install Homebrew. Now you can copy directly command from GitHub to open command terminal, command plus space and type terminal and open terminal. Paste the command which we have copied and click on install. It will take some time, and if you minimize it, now click agree, continue on battery power. I will speed up the process. Once we near to completion of installation, we will get back to this screen. So about 40 hours it's saying. Now it's saying about 5 minutes. If you see, now 2 minutes 1 second. It will take some time. It will depend upon your internet speed. Now the software was installed. Click on done. Now go back to GitHub repo and copy command to check version. Now you will see the version is 24.08. Now Brave is not installed yet, so command not found. We'll see official link is there. Open link in new tab. Then you see you can directly copy the command from Homebrew, or in the GitHub repo you will also find copy and go back to terminal, paste the command. It will ask for your laptop or system password. Type that. Don't worry, it will not show any character. Hit enter. Now it will start downloading Homebrew on your Mac. So Brew is a package manager. You can install and uninstall software using that. So now you will see new tag 4310 updating Homebrew. I'm speeding up the process, so you can in your case it will take some time. You will see warning is there because even if you check the version, it still show no command not found. So you have to copy and paste this command, which is eval. You will also find in GitHub. Copy and paste. Now check version 4310 Homebrew. Now go back to your GitHub repo and we will clear the screen and check both the commands, versions. Now Xcode select version and Brew version. We will check both. Brave -- version. Now both the install. Now let's see, we don't have VLC, so we try to install VLC using Homebrew. Copy the command from GitHub and paste brew install -- VLC. It will also take little bit of time. Install VLC. Okay, now you will see VLC was successfully installed. Let's open the VLC. Go to applications and you will find VLC. Right, we have installed. Open, click on open. We have completely installed VLC. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment. It will motivate me to create content on YouTube. Thanks for watching.